Let's review two different types of words that can come after a verb. It could be a direct object, or it could be a subject complement. What's the difference? Well, a direct object is a noun that comes after an action verb and receives the action. I touched my head. What did I touch? My head. My head is the direct object. I am a teacher. The word teacher is not a direct object because it doesn't come after an action verb. There's no action. Am is a linking verb. I equal teacher. That means teacher is a subject complement. Sometimes we call it a predicate nominative because it's a noun. It renames the subject. But what if I said, I feel hungry? Well, what about hungry? What is that? Well, it's not a noun, so it can't be a direct object. So is it describing the subject? I feel hungry. Hungry describes the subject. That means it's a subject complement. It happens to be a predicate adjective. Let's look at some examples. The wolves serve the witch. The wolves serve the witch. Serve is the verb. Wolves serve, subject verb. What do they serve? The witch. Does witch equal wolves? No. That means this is a direct object. The wolves captured Mr. Tumnus. The wolves captured Mr. Tumnus. Verb captured. Who captured? Wolves captured. Subject verb. They captured Mr. Tumnus. Does Mr. Tumnus equal wolves? No. That means this is an action verb and this is the direct object. The queen appears beautiful. Well, couldn't this be an action verb? Well, let's see. Is this something she's doing or does this link? Beautiful queen. Beautiful queen. This is a linking verb, so this is a subject complement. It completes the subject. It's an adjective. The queen orders the wolves to attack. The queen ordered the wolves to attack. Queen, subject, ordered verb. Wolves. This is the word that comes after the verb. Is it a subject complement? Well, does it equal the queen or describe the queen? Wolves, queen? No. It's the object. The queen ordered. Who or what did she order? She ordered the wolves. Direct object. The white witch is cruel. This is not even an action. This is a linking verb. Cruel describes the witch. So is this a direct object? No. Direct objects have to come after action verbs. This is a subject complement. Now you decide, which one has a direct object? She feels afraid. She feels his fur. The object is a noun that receives the action of the verb. Afraid is not a noun. Anyway, it describes her. This is a linking verb and that's a subject complement. She feels. That's an action. That's something she's doing. What does she feel? His fur. Does fur equal her? No. That means this is the direct object. Okay, let's review. We can ask the question what? We saw ducks. What did we see? Ducks. Direct object. They ate cookies. What did they eat? Cookies. Direct object. He watched the show. What did he watch? The show. Direct object. Dad drove the car. What did he drive? The car. Direct object. The storm destroyed the house. What did it destroy? The house. Direct object. Now look at this one. She is the queen. What is she? The queen. But is this a direct object? This is not an action. And queen equals she. Since queen equals she, this is called a subject complement. And let's go back. Do ducks equal us? No. Do cookies equal them? No. Is he the same as the show? No. Is Dad a car? No. Did the storm, is it the same thing as a house? No. But she is the queen. She equals queen. That's why that's not a direct object. Okay, they remained friends. This is the word we have to decide. They remained what? Friends. But does they equal friends? Yeah, it equals. It's hard to see that, isn't it? They equal. That means this is a subject complement. The cookies were chocolate chip. What were the cookies? Chocolate chip. But is it a direct object? No, because cookies equal chocolate chip. And because they equal, this is a subject complement. The cookies tasted delicious. This word is an adjective describing cookies. That means it is a subject complement. All of these are linking verbs in these sentences, and they're followed by subject complements. All of these are action verbs, and they are followed by direct objects. However, not all verbs have direct objects or subject complements. Let's look at these. She remained what? No, this says where. There's no direct object and no subject complement. She went into Narnia. She went what? No. There's no direct object. There's no subject complement. The star appeared what? No, there's nothing. These are all prepositional phrases. And so these are action verbs, but they do not have an object or a complement. All right, here's our challenge sentences at the end. They were soon fast asleep. They were sleeping in a tent. They surveyed the forest. Can you label them? Okay, let's find our verbs. Were, and surveyed. Let's find our subjects. They. Okay, what were they? They were soon, that's kind of telling me when. They were asleep. Ooh, that answers the question what. But is it an object? Or does it equal they? Ooh, it equals. They equal asleep. So this is a subject complement. Did you get that right? Okay, what about this one? They were sleeping. What were they? Ooh, were sleeping. Ooh, do you remember when we did tenses? A be verb plus ing. This is just an action. It's what they were doing. That's still a verb. Ha ha. Now, is tent a direct object? Does it say what they were sleeping? No, it says where they were sleeping. There is no direct object or subject complement here. Last one. They surveyed the forest. They surveyed what? The forest. Does forest equal they? No. So it just says what they surveyed. That is the direct object. I hope you are starting to get an idea about what direct objects do. They answer the question what after an action verb. Subject complements come after a linking verb and equal or rename the subject. And sometimes A sentence doesn't have either one.